Morinfing Donzo, were the first striker Kotoko assigned for this particular transfer window, and he doubles as the first foreign player Kotoko can sign. Yes, ahead of the season, I day Morinfing Donzo, a Guinea, the former club Hafia was signed for how many years? Details of money, the cry. They be and completing medicals. I want to say medicals, a confidentiality issues. In case I can be rolling photos, to screen also now here. But the good news is that he has had a very successful medicals. And every all is set and was signed 3 years. Take it from here. Was signed 3 years, and 3 years. What it means is or exhausting the contracts in 2028. Yes, and the contracts everybody with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko reaction no people time say better than my joining international 0247 1072 60 joining na in the Kasubo information where you can't and sana yede aba main street no so yes mahono ye mantem kwan but has any main street in Semino yede eba pa coach Zito, the head coach of Asante Kotoko. I make a revelation be a made bro Hafia who's a coach so that's why and who players are or hona players or more a players are Asante Kotoko inya or more free dear friend I say we nika cry be say maybe there be who say a trust but among for say a justify your inclusions and players nebe or Kotoko a trust players miensa and a Kotoko nya free this justify your inclusion among for cancer Kotoko I justify no but a trust no Kotoko nya players miensa e free mu omo na down screen no so no yes shaibu ahunzo oda hono ono na anopa no Kotoko confirm he is the right back and player a friend ono de yenyan confirm but Ombeba confirm which is Inusa Adams a very sharp winger with an information ebe bros is here and a player ba konso Asante Kotoko nya and free trust no money Philip Amu ono na enra ye confirm and ono so ye midfielder who operate on the wing as a wingers near those Philip Amu ono no free new Edubiase and a buy na oye recommended player Oboni word be asking that but answer na Kotoko e fano no sa justify na am focus Kotoko ye justify no be so na ho de hwe e na coaches na ehu say obetimi abo Kotoko no e na o ma fano nti Joseph and as Philip Amu e buy for trials e na ya fano e na anopa player e confirm Shaibu Abubakar no ono so ba trials e na de ye fano Shaibu ne right back in Zito, player friend Lord Amwa, and counterpart, Lord Niwa, and I say Lord performance de Pia or backup war. Ebikura now or no neighbor starts, you know the coaching the bachelor. Into these two players officially confirmed by the coach Zito say, Unyomo, if free, justify amount for justify. Now a cup player bako. Asante Kotoko ebe confirm ono no so if we justify no na apamsakafo no ye de yaso ekototo form na ye hwehwea no a player ye frɛ no Inusa Adams asem ne eka ebia na ahoma bi akote bayira homa no na entima mbemba sise ne de aduru ne de based on the information I've obtained indicates that the player will be added on Oswombe on which is Inusano. The bit may be free William Abete by Rahoma dear, but Sahians San and non economists for because a ceteris parabus. Sahians San, Quay Sera. He's going to be the third player of the Babakan Woman. I 3 players picked so far from trials are a course so an amount for boy so mujina and the amount for because neck pressing pan and amount for a neck pressing. And now back to the news of the day is about Donzo Morinfing. He's clinical and now you be profile no ha and now ko adekoja che no ko e fancy pan ko je no enya asem kitwa kra Kotoko supporters they are the best among the rest and now okoho and they wantimi ankoho ankoye any training bia but and then no okoye hospital sem omko check na kuma omo check ni kotodwem and omo check ni heartbeat no and now omo check ni nyina no na omo check ni nyina no e take green mo amaye adwuma hospital asemi munim de make at certain point in me life no me koye adwuma hospital kakra nti sa anwoma ni nyina musuae ase na me dem se daachi bi me ba be ka medical asem nti etike green a na chese ade no edam bi bia ye clean eno ne Morinfing Donzo medicals ene okoye ye no nti immediately after the medicals no ena omo drive no omo de netna Land Cruiser bi no mu no ena omo de netna mu no omo drive ne to Asante Kotoko secretariat ewo ode no ho kwada so omo de nura ho no omo cheche no trophies Kotoko age no omo tenze master hana waba no the pinnacle of Ghana football. It's waba photos na bobo ho no yes waji wudin wo Guinea Hafia Club on waba ahanso the yebi na to aso na wo ye ni ya udin no ebe shutu akosoro pam omo cheche ni nyina awie no na omo ma ne pen no na I'm told they say invie miensa udi tintim so ma ukum Asante Kotoko ukum apema ba Asante Kotoko isa moto yemfa nkutwa loto nti for Morinfing Donzo no enche bia oboze Facebook ni YouTube ni social media aka no official statement ne beba say Morinfing Donzo is a warrior ono dey have the first out and out striker yes sign and also the first foreign player yes sign ahead of players 10 I signed so far no ono is going to be the first striker nature say bibia I fine ama Asante Kotoko nyame adoma next week he's going to be part of the team about travel to South Africa. So what to say Asante Kotoko is going to be hosted by the Zulu King Yesusani ati Zulu King ene Kotoko remo South Africa Kotoko ebe hosti Kotoko with the Zulu Paris or Palace or yeah Zulu Palace or Kotoko is going to be hosted by the Zulu King at the Zulu Palace and only information kakra or see at the chat we didn't know Nazal Hamza with me after the blog man maybe make man we see at Chabe Pato ranking 74 was it 74 my fans so because